Hello student, once again I am with you. So today we are going to discuss about democratic politics class 10th and it is the lesson 2nd federalism. So student, it is the second video of this lessons. So today we will discuss some important things related to this lesson. In last video also we have to discuss about federalism, what is federalism and what is importance and use. And under this lesson, under this video, we will discuss what makes India a federal country. First we are going to understand about this. After that we will try to understand other important things of this lesson, this part, students. So actually India's power sharing total has been divided into such as vertical or horizontal. This main things, it is the main object which give the permission to you say to your country as a federal system. So students, central, state and district, you can say as a municipality, you can say this system is called as a federalist or federal system. But today we are going to understand some important point also related to this. Actually in our federal system, union government, state government and your local also you can say, which is as territorial or districts maybe, it has been given some special power. So main thing which we are going to understand, first union government. Union government has given some special power by the your constitution or parliament, that on which topics they can make the rule, they can decide anything, they can give the employment related other thing. That which is the list, especially union government union list, that is defense related matter, foreign affairs regarding banking sector, communication, currency, like that. So major thing which responsibility has been given by the central government as a union government to make the law on this list. So students, we are going to understand about state lists, which power has been given to the states governments. That is a police, trade, commerce, agriculture. You may understand all states police are something different. States have a power to giving and controlling to their police. State will give power, decide salary and their work, like that. So and some trade, commerce, different type of agriculture, irrigation, which types of have been to their important, that also has been power to deciding to state government, to state list. So student, one other list also has been made, which called as a concrete list. And concrete list especially, which you can say it is has been power to make a rule to both government. For example, you can say state government and central government. State government and central government both, if combined, both will give the permission, then it list to be decided. For example, which work has been under this list? That education, marriage, adaptation, succession, forest and special some constitutional matter, like that. Such law making power has been made, has been given to the concrete list. That means this work to be decided, related this work to be decided under the union and state both government. If both to be joined, both to give the permission, then related law to be final or follow. And it may be made under by the both government, for example union and state also. So student, in here some important point also we should be understand. If any dispute may come under the state and union in any union list matter, then it's to be decided under the judiciary system. Your Supreme Court, High Court can give the last decision related to any dispute between states or union matter. If any type of conclude, any type of dispute may come under this list. So students, it was the federalism define system which list which power, which sectors and which place has been given. For example, union list, state lists and concrete list. So students, it was the second part of the your second lesson video. So student, now next topic we will discuss in other part. So students, thank you very much to all of you.